can be messy while she's eating. It's okay. We just wipe her after. Oh, what a good big brother you are. Look at all that mess down there on the floor that she made.
Hey, don't shove it. There you go.
She seems okay with it.
Can we cut the tag off?
Yeah, we will in a minute. Don't dig in your booty while you're feeding the baby. Come on now.
You want
Mm.
some? You did it upside down.
Oh, you got it on my pot.
Yum, yum.
Ah, what a good big brother. Oh.